Hey guys, my name's Connor from M Creek Renovations, and as you can tell by the color of my hat, it actually was gray before this, and now it's white, so you know what we're getting into. Today is painting. If you're new to the channel, my wife and I have spent the past 2 years trying to renovate our house, and we're actually past the drywall phase. So the guys just came back and drywalled. Looks great. The next step before actually painting is prime. You have to prime new drywall before you go back with any other color for paint. I have two options. I have an airless Magnum X7 paint sprayer, and then I also have an 18-inch brush roller that I'm gonna go back and back roll all the areas. And I'll show you how to do both those. Again, I'm gonna tackle this living room area, but if I can tackle the living room area and you can learn from that, then you can pretty much rinse and repeat and tackle all the other rooms in the house. So let's get to it. So getting this set up, once you have power turned on, you wanna hit the on button. Then you're going to use this, and that will remove all the air out of the lines and prime the nozzle. So you're gonna take this nozzle, once everything's primed, and give it a quick spray. Make sure it all shoots out well. Make sure everything shoots out well. And you're gonna start. I'm gonna start actually on the ceiling, and we'll go from there. All right, now that I just sprayed that portion of the ceiling with the airless paint sprayer, I'm gonna go ahead and with this 18-inch roller, you're gonna lightly go back over what you just sprayed, maybe 1 to 2 passes, and that'll create that texture on the wall. The whole point of back rolling is that when you come back and you spray it, you wanna use a roller to match the texture of the wall. In case you have any dents, scratches, damages in the future, you can go ahead and patch it and then give it one quick roll over with the same paint, and it should blend in with the rest because of the texture. So, quick little lesson. Now I'm gonna go ahead with this 18-inch roller and do a couple passes, and we'll just keep moving our way throughout the ceiling, and then we'll tackle the walls. So now we're done about half the living room. I think it turned out pretty well. Again, if I didn't specify, I got this paint and sealer primer from Sherwin-Williams. It runs you about $65 per 5-gallon bucket. You can also get a contractor account if you have any type of company, and then you get additional deals off that. So far, I've used about 8 gallons, so just under $500. So let's continue this. I'll put the mask back on and we'll finish the other side. One quick tip when you're in a space that's pretty tight and you need to get to the top of the ceiling all the way down, but you still have this roller, what you can do, unclick it, and pop it off, then start at the bottom and then work your way up. That's for hallways, tight areas like I just did it over here, and it worked out great. Just a little tip for you. And that's all we got for today. We were able to completely paint the living room and the top of the ceiling all the way down. We're about 75% done with the house from priming. Still gotta paint this sunroom outside on the back, and then also the half bath. Again, when you look at it all in material, I should be right at around $1,000 compared to a previous painting contractor came in last week and wanted to charge us $3,600. So we saved $2,600, which is huge on a project we could do by ourselves. Anyway, we're able to pocket that money and maybe we can put it into something else, something in the kitchen or something in a bathroom or bedrooms. Anyway, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you've learned anything, just leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.